chapter. Integrals. This differential calculus is centered on the concept of the derivatives. So integrals means differential calculus is centered on the concept of derivatives. The original motivation for the derivatives was the problems. So here indefinite integrals or definite integrals, okay, those problems we have, okay, integrating in this, how to we can write. See, already you were studying, Amma. What you were studying, sir? Differentiation. What is the differentiation, sir? D by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x means what you are writing, Nana? Cos x. Cos x. Okay. Here, which is the output? That only integrals. Means integral of cos x into dx means sin x. Sin x plus c. Integral of cos x into dx means sin x plus c. See, when differentiation inside output cos x is coming, integrals output, differentiation of the output, again differentiation will come. So here antiderivative of that is called by integrals. Antiderivatives of that is called by integrals. For example, d by dx of cos x. What you are writing, sir? Minus sin x. Minus sin x. So here integral of sin x into dx. What you can write, sir? Minus cos x plus x. Same one. When you differentiation output is coming minus sin x, in this sin x integration, if you find out in output minus cos x plus c means integral values, you can't say exactly this value, means still some concept is there, means some content is there, some values is there. See, when you were different decimals values 1.99999 you were saying, but you can't say exactly 9. So that's why here plus c means some integral values is there. You can't say this is the integral's answer exactly. So that's why every problem they will say plus c plus c. C means some constant of the values. Some constant of the values. So say here also d by dx of x power n means what you are writing, sir? N into x power n minus 1. But here integral of x power n into dx means what you can write, sir? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus integral of x power n into dx means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. Okay, so that's why you have to write some values. Okay, So once I will write formulas, Nana. Okay, I will write formulas. Okay, once we can copy that formulas, these formulas only will come repeated these 3 chapters: integrals, applications of integrals, differential equations. These and all related formulas. Already differentiation formulas I gave. See, an integral formula. Integral of x power n dx is equal x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral of dx ex plus c. Integral of cos x into dx sin x plus c. Integral of sin x into dx minus cos x plus c. Integral of secant square x into dx is equal tan x plus c. Integral of cosecant square x into dx is equal cot x plus c. Integral of secant x tan x into dx is equal secant x plus c. Next, integral of cosecant x cot x into dx is equal minus cosecant x plus c. And second copy.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, Nana.
Sir, for chapter 6 miscellaneous exercise, what to do, sir?
Miscellaneous since practice time you will explain, Nana. Revision time is there, no? Why?
Okay, sir.
Because all exercise you are practicing means miscellaneous is easy only.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Tell me, Nana.
sir, for 6 to 1 minus cot x only, no, sir.
Where am I? Ah, yes, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Next one. 9th one. Integral of 1 by root 1 minus x square into dx is equal sin inverse of x plus c. 10th one. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal tan inverse of x plus c. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal minus cot inverse of x plus c. This minus some cases here also will come, Nana. So that's why sir both same only is there. here tan, here cot y means some cases minus of integral of minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx means cot inverse x. Okay, right? Next, integral of 1 by x into x square minus 1 into dx secant inverse x plus the integral of 1 by x into x square minus 1 into dx minus cosecant inverse of x plus the integral of e power x into dx. So e power x plus the integral of 1 by x into dx. So log x plus the integral of a power x into dx a power x by log a plus c. Okay. Once you can copy these formulas, you can read these formulas Nana today. Okay. Tomorrow I will start concept and examples and everything I will explain. Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you can read that formulas, man.